Hey, my name is Barbara and I'm officially the biggest OrgPad freak. It's been measured, I have 691 org pages and I spent a total of 28 days here, not including the time I spend in other accounts that I have for testing and tutorial making. So you can see that OrgPad helps me a lot in my life. I use it every day for many things. And in this series of short videos, I will show you some of my org pages to demonstrate how I use OrgPad in different areas of my life, because it could help you the same way as it helped me. It helped me when I was working as a teacher and also now as a lecturer, but also in my personal everyday life. I use it, for example, for recipes, presentations, teaching, lecturing, my business plan, project management, games, graphic manual, finding an idea for graphic design, studying, notes and excerpts, notes to videos, interactive picture, to-do list, which is the first thing that really works for me. Galleries, portfolio, resume. We gather questions for discussions with some people here. A beautiful no-code website. New Year and Christmas cards. School books. I taught fractions here as a substitute teacher. I visualized binary system here. Various games for English lessons, connecting pictures, pairs, flashcards and others. Scenarios to videos, teacher preparations. I use it even as a chat or as a platform for video comments, sorting materials, sorting thoughts. So sometimes I use it as sort of therapy. We organize our teamwork here, which works really great. I plan, keep my meeting notes, which saves our meetings, create an interactive map, offer of courses, gathering inspiration for graphic design and art, directory of links to social media. I created whole new teaching methods here, even a songbook. It's limitless. It's just that once you learn how to work in OrgPad and find out what you can do there, then you think like, oh, I could do this in OrgPad, and why don't we do this in OrgPad actually? And oh, I could do this in OrgPad this way. It just keeps coming to you, and then you start doing really everything in OrgPad, just as I do, because it's not just practical, it's also fun, and it helps you remember and keep track on what you do, what you read, what you listen to, and to point out what's really important for your life, and so on and so forth. So, doesn't it sound great? I think it does, so I also think that you should go and try it yourself. Go ahead and try it.